Got the wheels off the Miata, and now we're going to commence working on the brakes.
There's that one. I think we need to get this one out here as well.
Yeah, eventually.
A few moments later.
So, old rotor's off. You can see how corroded, rusted, and just old it is all around. So we're gonna clean up around here, put the new ones on, and we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. And we're gonna have ourselves some clean braking system here. There she is.
Here we are.
There's that one.
There's a tasty drink on that shelf over there.
That one, King Rollers. Alright, there she is.
Time to rip it.
I'd rather shoot myself than ever put brakes on a fucking Miata again. Miatas are the worst cars to work with. Never touch them. It's an absolute fucking nightmare. Buy a Lexus instead. But no, in all seriousness, it was a good job. It was very easy. Much more easier than any car you've ever worked on, so it's pretty nice. Overall, it took us about an hour and a half.
Yeah. What do you have to say? You showed up late, so.
Yeah, I didn't do anything.
Yeah. I'm gonna turn the earpiece down so I can listen, because the whole reason we changed the rotors is because it was making a noise. I wanna make sure that noise is gone. So.
A few moments later.
So after replacing the rotors and getting everything cleaned up, brakes are working nice, still running great. That's about it. I mean, we were only doing this to replace the rotors because we were having a little bit of a noise coming from this left side. Sounds like something is rubbing against something. We're not sure what, but we figured it was the rotors. Guess not, but you know, new rotors isn't a bad thing because the ones that were on there were old and corroded and bad. So
Yeah, we'll show a picture of those things. But yeah, just stay tuned for more Miata videos, more of Kyle fucking up, you know. Just stay tuned.